It's Saturday, Easter bank holiday weekend. Yesterday we visited North Devon Wakepark, which I will show you here. Thank you. I don't know whether you were coming off or not. Oh fuck, I'm in the wrong hand.
Just like you know, I always
So right here in North Devon, I'm absolutely cream crackered. Because I'm a legend, we're going to do some doubles with the one and only Joe Smith. Stay tuned.
just like you know. I always want stress like you. I always want stress like you.
Let's go.
Top of Baggy Point, 2022. Where's Gina? Oh, gee.
Yeet. Yeah. I didn't see it.
Like when you do it, you get the tail drops perfectly for it.
You need to start on that one then, babe.
Oh, damn. What have you been on my own one with? Did you get that, G?
Yeah, I did! Oh, babe!
Just finished watching the sunset down at Croyd Bay. Now we're one wheeling back for some food.